the big whitest face part of the
Yeah,
mountain.
yeah. Yeah. And then there's the steptoe down there to the left.
Oh, way down there, yeah. Boy, it sticks fucking up, doesn't it?
Doesn't it? Okay, I feel like a Chinese tourist. All these dudes got their cameras out. Okay, come on, I'm waiting. Take a picture now.
This thing has a pretty damn good camera on it.
Does it?
Yeah, once you blow it up and check it out, it's got pretty good detail. It's pixels or whatever the freaking fuck.
So is that the river then, over there? What is that?
Oh, what is that?
Is that a Loika?
Yeah, it is a Leica.
I think that's a Loika, yeah.
Right.
Is it Loika? South